What if high school wasn't just about getting through the day, but about preparing for a future that's already waiting? A future where students don't just imagine success, they train for it. At the Atlanta Aviation Institute, students don't wait until college to explore aviation careers. They start now, while still in high school, through hands-on learning, industry-aligned instruction, and real career pathways connected to one of the fastest-growing industries in the world. And thanks to a partnership between Atlanta Public Schools, Delta Airlines, and Atlanta Technical College, the future is now. Students choose from three powerful aviation pathways. Aviation maintenance, where students learn how aircraft are built, inspected, and kept flight ready. Flight operations, where students build understanding about the foundation for navigation, communication, and aviation systems. Unmanned aircraft systems, where students prepare for commercial drone careers, logistics, film, construction, and public safety. Each pathway offers real skills, real exposure, and a clear next step after graduation.
Hey everyone, I'm Kenneth, a Frederick Douglass High School graduate, and I got my start in the aviation program pathway as an ACAA dual enrollment scholar at Atlanta Technical College.
And I'm Judith. I also started the program during my senior year at North Atlanta High School, and I can honestly say that it changed my life. It's one of the smartest decisions I've ever made.
While most of my friends were taking the usual high school classes, I was earning college credits and getting real hands-on experience working on aircraft parts. I wasn't just learning from a textbook. I was in the lab, getting a head start on my FAA certification and my career.
For me, dual enrollment meant I could start my aviation journey before I graduated high school, and I did it without taking on student loan debt.
This program really helped us build teamwork, problem solving, and professional communication.
And the hands-on experience is amazing. We train in labs that look and feel like real aviation workplaces, using the same equipment as professionals use in the fields. By the time you step out into the workforce, you'd already feel ready and confident.
The aviation industry is in high demand and pays well. Aircraft mechanics can earn well over six figures with experience and certifications, and because we started in high school, we're ahead of the game.
If you're a high school student thinking about your future, don't wait. Dual enrollment in aviation maintenance at Atlanta Technical College can jumpstart your career just like it did for us.
Start your journey today. Visit acca.atlantapublicschools.us.